Going to be applying RainX to the windows today. This is a glass water repellent, and basically what it does is when it's raining, this basically beads up the water. So as you can see on the bottle, treated, there's barely any water spots, so it's visible to see on the road. And untreated, there's a lot of water droplets that are collecting on the windshield, and they kind of sheet off, so it really makes your vision outward blurry, so it can be really dangerous when it's raining heavily. So it's pretty easy application. You use a microfiber cloth and you spray it on, and then you go in small circular motions, and it should haze over. So if it does haze over, don't worry about it. You can get it off. It's supposed to do that. So you do the whole glass, and then for a better treatment, you wipe it off and then you apply it again. And then small circular motions again. It has a really chemical smell, so wear some mask or anything so you don't have to smell it. But yeah, this really works well. We tried it on one of our other cars. We also got their windshield wiper fluid, RainX, and it works too. That's kind of like a, it works all the time. There's like a one-step application, and that, while this is going off, that's kind of your secondary. So it's really great, and while it's raining, you could tell the difference. We can get some water.
Here's the driver's side one. We already applied the product on this, and here we go. Let the water come in. As you can see, it's already beading. Look at that. It does not hold any water. That is so nice. This is going to be super safe to drive, and I recommend doing the front windshield, the drivers, and pretty much everything, but the most important ones are these. And then this is also very important. We also applied on this one. As you can see, water beads right out, and this will be super safe to look at, when it's raining or whatever. This is such an amazing product. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. I'll try to help as much as I can. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.